Hi, I'm Gary for ExpertVillage.
The first thing I want to do is I want to go to my Layers window and I want to open up a new adjustment layer, and I'm going to click on the button that looks like a half circle which is lightened and a half circle that is darkened, and I'm going to click on it. There's actually a little menu that pops up that says create new fill or adjustment layer. I'm going to click on that, and it's going to ask me what kind of layer I want to create. I'm going to create a solid color layer, and when I click on the solid color layer, I have opened up a menu that lets me click on the color that I want to apply to that layer. So first you have to decide which part of the image you're going to be applying the color to. So I've decided I'm going to first work on the jacket of the picture of Robert E. Lee. So I'm going to pick a dark, kind of a dark navy blue. Now I don't want it too dark because the image is black and white, and I don't want it to be confused with just another shade of black. So I'm going to pick it a little lighter, maybe a little bit lighter than it really should be, but I'm going to create it like a kind of a navy blue. I'm going to click OK. Now my image is totally covered up with that color. So what we need to do is we need to change the blending mode of that layer. So with that layer selected, with it highlighted in our layers window, I go ahead and click on the menu bar here where it says the default normal. So I click on it and I go to the option that says color, and now I see that my blending mode has changed for that layer, and now I just see kind of like a bluish tint over the entire layer. So now what I can do is I can go ahead and start selecting the areas that I want to leave with this bluish tint and erase the other areas that I want to remove the color from that particular part of the image. So that's what I'm going to do right now, and this is going to make it easier because each color is going to be contained in its own layer in the layers window. So if I ever want to change all of the area in the image that is colored blue, all I have to do is click on that layer and I can go ahead and select a different color, and that will just change that entire area that was left blue. So now I'm going to show you how to go ahead and apply the color to specific areas.